Hi guys, this is gsnom.com and I'm here with the Allview Soul X5. We've previously unboxed and reviewed the Allview Soul X5 Pro, and this is the regular Soul X5. Don't let the box fool you. We only have a test unit, so it's basically the same box as the Allview Soul X5 Pro. Just the box. The phone is different. So here we go. This is the handset. It's a mid-range device with AI. It's got a Helio P22 processor. It's actually our first contact with that CPU, and the phone is priced at around $250. Once again, this is the Allview Soul X5 in the box of the Soul X5 Pro. Now we have here, as you can well see, a flexible and transparent case with cutouts for the dual camera and the fingerprint scanner. The phone has a back made of glass, facade made of glass, and a metal frame between, although it shines much like glass itself. Pretty nice. Now inside the box we have the following accessories. I would say they're pretty typical ones. Here we find the USB Type-C to full USB cable. Here you can see the small metal key used to access the slots. Here we have the charger, which is a 5-volt 2-ampere unit. And here we have a pair of headphones, which if you've seen on Allview phone before, they're basically the same every time, and not very easy to remove from what I can see. Here we go. You can see this is what the headphones are like. They're pretty comfy, and the volume is, I would say, mid-level. Okay, let's put this here and go further with the unboxing. Also inside the box of the Allview Soul X5 are even more things. We got a protective film for the screen, we got instructions, we got warranty, and we also have a quick guide. Once again, these are things from the Soul X5 Pro. We don't have the original packaging, but they're pretty similar, so no harm and no foul. Okay, this has been closed. Let's fire up the phone and see what it's all about. I can tell you it has a notch. I can tell you it has a front side flash for the front camera, and I can tell you that the resolutions are quite generous. So this handset has a wide notch and a 5.85-inch screen with a 1520 over 720 pixel resolution. Inside there's an octa-core CPU, the Helio P22, a 12nm CPU with AI, and also with the PowerVR Rogue GE820 GPU. There's 4 GB of RAM here, 32 GB of storage, also micro SD card slot, and the OS is Android Oreo 8.1, not just simple 8.0. The battery is a 3000 mAh unit, and at the back you can find a combo of 2 cameras. You got a combo of 16 and 5 megapixels together with LED flash, and this is the fingerprint scanner, by the way. And at the front, 16 megapixels and its very own LED flash, so you will take brighter selfies. From what I understood, Allview offers a special electronic stabilization here and a special low light capture mode. There's Bokeh and there's something they call UI 3.0 swipe, so you can opt to remove these buttons from here and use swipe movements like on Android 9.0 Pie or like on the iPhone 10, for example. Okay, so let's see what else we have here. We go to the settings and we find something called reverse charge and OTG. It has OTG support. It can charge other phones via reverse charging, and if you're messing around here, you should also be able to hide the notch at some point. Switch display area, you press this, you swipe down or something like that, and switch display area. That was pretty straightforward, and then you do it again and you'll get rid of the notch or reactivate it. Now, as usual, I want to show you the camera UI. By the way, this is a dual SIM phone which has the ability to bokeh, as you can see here. And an interesting feature is also a new one for Allview. It's called Face Emoji, and Face Emoji emulates your face and turns you into a fox, into a robot. And now that I'm moving my head and blinking and opening my mouth really wide, you can see that the creature is doing the same as me in real time, thanks to the AR features and the AI of the CPU. Okay, so this is a pretty ugly fish. This is the kind you find in the Mariana Trench. deep under the sea, being pretty dangerous as far as I know. These are some of the features of the Allview Soul X5. It's actually a triplet, this series, the X5 series. They got the Allview Soul X5, Soul X5 Pro, and even the Soul X5 Mini launched recently. This one is priced at around $250, so pretty affordable, with a promise of artificial intelligence, a pretty solid CPU, and even their own assistant, which is called Avi, and also knows Polish and English aside from Romanian. This is it from gsmrom.com. We'll be back with a full review very soon. Bye bye.